This is a video about O2 HR Plus to Tally integration. We'll walk you through phase 1 of the O2 to Tally integration. In the first phase, salary data flows directly from O2 to Tally. To get started, you simply need to generate an organization level key in the O2 software. Once the key is generated, sync Tally with O2. That's it. This integration can be understood in two simple parts. Part 1 is the initial mapping stage. Every organization is having its own salary structures. Therefore, salary components created in O2, such as basic, HRA, PF, PT, and other organization specific components, must be mapped with the same components created in Tally for that particular organization. This mapping process is a one-time setup activity. Once the mapping is complete, the real advantage begins. So, the second step is pushing the data from O2 HR Plus to Tally. On a monthly basis, with just a single sync, you can automatically transfer salary data from O2 to Tally directly into employee ledger accounts with no manual entries required. Once the employee-wise salary vouchers appear in Tally, the accountant can review them and either accept or reject vouchers individually or in bulk. On acceptance, the vouchers are finalized and posted as ledgers in Tally. If a voucher is rejected, the rejections details are automatically sent back to O2 HR Plus for salary correction. In O2 HR Plus, you can clearly track the status of each voucher, whether it's under review or optional stage, accepted or rejected for final voucher generated in Tally. This process also works for past month's salary data as long as it is available in O2 HR Plus. So experience a powerful and seamless Accounts Plus HR solution powered by O2 HR Plus and Tally. So try a comprehensive Accounts Plus HR solution by Tally Group.